gather around. Delightful's love, peace, and positivity is here today. And we're going to read. How groovy! Yay! I would like to wish you all a wonderful and happy Valentine. Well, you know what? Delightfuls celebrates Valentine all week long. This year, Valentine's fell on a Sunday, which is the beginning of the week. So we have all week to love, care, be kind, smile. But we're supposed to do that every day. Is that right? Right. Well, I just want to wish you all a lot of love and kisses and I love you to the moon and back. And I love you with all my heart. Are you ready to read? I wonder what Delightfuls is going to read today. Well, it's all about love. Green light means go. Are you ready to read? Well, come on and let's read. Today's book at Reading with Delightfuls is Minnie'S Valentine by the Mickey Mouse Club and Disney. And we have stickers for you also. Hello, everybody. Do you want to come to the clubhouse with me? Well, all right, let's go. Just say Mishka, Mushka, Mickey Mouse. Today is February 14th. It's a special day, but I can't remember why. Let's check the mailbox. Look at all these cards. Now I know why this is such a special day. Do you? Super cheers! Today is Valentine's Day, but I don't have a present for Minnie. What should I do? Did you hear the doorbell ring? Let's see who it is. Hello, I'm Mickey Mouse. It's nice to meet you, Miss M. Can you really help me find a present for Minnie? That's great. Miss M says to check the weather. It will give me a clue. Look outside the clubhouse door. What is the weather like today? You betcha. It's cold outside. Minnie's ears always tingle when it's cold. Maybe I should give Minnie something to keep her ears warm on a frosty winter day. What could that be? A hat. That's a perfect present. But how will I find a hat for Minnie? Great idea, Miss M. I can knit a hat for Minnie. First, I need to get some wool. Miss M says to find an animal that says baa. Oh, Todayz can help us too. A cow, a duck, a sheep, and a dog. Does a dog say baa? No, a sheep says baa. can get the wool from sheep. Oh boy, 3 Wally sheep are outside my door. I can use their wool to make a hat, but I need to cut it first. Oh, tools! A hammer, an umbrella, a flashlight, or clippers. Which should I use? Good job. Clippers were exactly what I needed. The wool is clean and combed. Miss M says that I have to spin it now. I see a vacuum cleaner, a hair dryer, a spinning wheel, and a sewing machine. Which should I use? The spinning wheel worked. Nice going, everybody. Now I want to dye my wool pink. That's Minnie's favorite color. Can you find 2 colors that I can mix to make pink? Eureka! Red and white make pink. The wool is all ready. It's time to knit the hat. Miss M has just the tools I need. Do you see them in her bag? Minnie's hat is finally finished. Oh boy, I am tired. Goodbye, Miss M. Thank you for all your help. Ding dong. Minnie is here. Do you think she'll like her present? Oh, Mickey, Minnie says. How did you ever know I wanted a pink hat? Minnie loves her new hat. How did Miss M know that it would be perfect, a perfect present? And I have some more stickers for you. How groovy and full of love. Oh my goodness. Minnie's Valentine. Wow. Now I have a surprise for you all. Did you all enjoy the book about Minnie and Mickey Mouse and their Valentine? Who are you spending your Valentine with today? Don't forget, you have all week. But I have a special surprise for you. We have treats. Would you like some candy? One for you. And one for you. Can I keep this one for myself? Thank you. But I'm not done yet. I have a card for you. And I have a baton ball for you. Happy Valentine. Do you think I know how to baton ball? Let's try and see. First, I have to take it out of the tangled knot that it's in to see if I still know how to baton ball. Oh, it's too small for me. Maybe you can do it better than I. Oh, I did it. Wow, it worked for me. So now you try. Here. But I'm not done yet. I have another card attached with the whistle. One for you and one for you. And guess what? It's a whistle. Would you like one? And this is Minnie's favorite color. So I have on two of my pretty colors that I like. Red is my favorite color, but I also wanted to have on Minnie's favorite color, which is pink. Let's blow the whistle. See? It's a whistle. So have fun. It's Valentine. And I thank you all for joining me. And I hope you all spread the love abroad. And I love you. God bless you. And I'll see you right here next week at Delightful's Read-Along. Reading with Delightfuls. Don't you miss it, because we have an awesome book for Black History Month. Delightfuls. Love, peace, and positivity. Mwah, mwah. Peace.